This is a small excerpt of the entire contact. Contact Report 400 translation.
I have also ascertained it while you were away, and I looked through the questions. But look here, there I have some notes. I am always asked again and again, namely about what the crystal heads found in South America are all about, as well as with the alleged Philadelphia experiment. Of course, I have explained many times and again that the crystal heads have nothing to do with extraterrestrials and therefore also are not attributed to such. However, these crystal heads were manufactured in the 19th century in Germany. Nevertheless, this will not be accepted as truth, just like the fact also that the Philadelphia experiment only corresponds to a fantastic hoax, because namely such an experiment has never taken place. Now here, this man here, a Mr. Ehrman, from Germany, would like me again to ask to you and then publish the answer in a bulletin. Can you please give an answer to the questions in brief form?
Officially we have never talked about it, but several times only in a private manner. Therefore, I gladly want to give an answer, which should be in an official form, with which, however, I want to restrict myself to the essential, the crystal skulls named by you, which were found in South America and will be attributed to the Mayans, and supposedly should have originated from extraterrestrials, as you just said, were fabricated in Germany in the 19th century, in fact in the gem and diamond polishing cities of those places, that were unified in 1933 in the city of Oberstein. The client was a prosperous man by the name of Florian Rosenfelder, from Germany, who operated privately and was a hobbyist archaeologist and who brought the crystal heads also to the Maya region, then to discover it in order to cause a sensation. Although he was able only to place the crystal heads at different places where he thought they would be discovered before witnesses, however, he did not succeed with that because he died of a poisoning that he suffered through the natives, who then robbed him. And to say something regarding the so-called Philadelphia experiment, about which firstly an author by the name of Berlitz wrote a fantasy book. There was never such an experiment, neither in the USA or anywhere else on the earth. The whole fantastic history is based on the fraudulent claims of a man by the name of Cale Allen, in relation to an alleged experiment with a ship, which was named the USS Eldridge. The man thought that his image would rise with this lying story and that he also could become rich through it. When he didn't succeed with this story and the situation became too precarious for him to be exposed as a liar, he vanished without a trace.
The story is known by me. However, I didn't know how the ship was named. It is claimed that the U.S. Navy did an experiment with huge electromagnetic vibrations in the harbor of Philadelphia in October 1943, etc., with which the named ship then vanished without a trace and reappeared again in the harbor of Norfolk 500 kilometers away in order to vanish also again there after a short time and to become visible again in the harbor of Philadelphia.
Yes, that is, in brief, the lying story.